what we've seen in India is education is a material transaction. So what we believe is, why should English be any different? So if you want to learn English, you obviously are looking at some material transaction, and for us, most of the English is focused on getting better career opportunities and job opportunities. So Utter is focused on careers and job related fluency. The most interesting aspect about Utter is the entire conversational medium, where the learner can come, he can learn through chatbots. If he has any doubts, he goes and resolves it with the live tutor who sends him back to the relevant chatbots. So this seamless transition is where the learner keeps being engaged. So for example, this guy was working in a bike shop and he used to work in the godown. And after he got trained on Utter, he came back and said, I was shifted into the shop floor. So he says, for me, no, that's the biggest career transition in my life. And that happened because you taught me some 25 sentences to speak with the customer. So that is something, no, that people want to learn.
A lot of our competitors are using gamification to actually create engagement and retention with the learners or the users. But we try to stay away from gamification. A lot of our user research initially has shown us that it's the serious approach to the chatbots or it's the serious approach to the live tutoring that is what is actually creating better impact for our learners.
For English learning apps, growth is a no-brainer. While we have grown close to 3.5x in the last 12 months, what is important now is, if you are scaling, what are you scaling? Are you scaling users or are you scaling paid users? So we have focused on the tougher challenge. We said that we have to scale on different metrics than just downloads, and which is why we have scaled on paid users, we have scaled on paid user conversions, we have scaled on retention and engagement. One of the key things of the GeoGenNext accelerator program is, the program in itself lasts for 15 days, out of which about 7 to 8 days you keep talking to experts. Many of them come from the Reliance ecosystem. This entire focus on giving more than the customer expects and then doing a transaction with him at scale is what we learned from Geo. The second is, we started meeting business heads, and the way the business heads received us, spoke to us, engaged with us, with some of them we actually did pilots, and you won't believe that the entire team was so inspired by the pace at which Reliance worked, that we met a business head on Saturday and we had a hard-coded app which was specific to his requirements by next Friday. The third very important thing is, when these people were engaging with us, we realized that boss, what we have done matters. That kind of confidence or the boost to what you're doing is what the entire Geo ecosystem gives you. These days, hard skills and technical skills are low on the radar. What is important is soft skills, and we are the primary reason why a guy can get hired, because he has a cultural gap between the person he's serving and the person is working. Two areas: one is go premium for the white collar, and go to industry certified courses for the masses.